I just want to talk about the Graco Modes Nest travel system that I got here. It is one of my favorite strollers. It took me a lot of research to come to the conclusion to buy this one, and I am so glad that I did. The reason why I really like it is because of the storage. The storage under here is amazing. It's so big. I'm able to go shopping anytime I want. I could put all of my groceries in there. I have 5 kids and I'm able to just carry this while the other ones walk. And I can put all of my groceries in here. I don't have to carry another cart and figure out what to do. Also, it comes with a cup holder, which you put here. I have seemed to lost it. But yeah, this is really nice. And I really like the height here. The height is great. My man is 6'2", and a lot of the other strollers were really low to the ground. But this one was perfect for his height. And don't come at me. I am walking her, so I loosened the straps. But yeah, this is a really great stroller. I highly recommend it. It's really good for families with a lot of kids or someone who needs a lot of storage. Comes with the cup holder and it's very easy to put away. I'm going to show you guys how to do that after. If you're wondering how to open and close your Graco Modes Nest travel system, this is how you do it. It's very easy. So it comes with this little latch here. You're just going to pull this back. You see? Pull it back and it opens up. Then to close it, you see these 2 push buttons here? You're gonna push those in and pull it up and then